Hello, friends ready to make money and explore new digital tools. Today, we're jumping into the exciting world of ChatGPT and discovering how this smart AI tool can help you make money online. We've already journeyed through the realms of TikTok ads and dropshipping strategies. Now, let's see how the amazing features of ChatGPT can help you earn. Picture this, a tool that can chat, write, and even solve problems, all at your command. That's what ChatGPT is like. It's like having a super smart helper who's always ready to assist you. Imagine the possibilities when this kind of help is at your fingertips. How can this lead to making money, you ask? Well, stick around, and you'll find out. Meet Taylor, who dreams of making it big in the digital world. Taylor is just like you, curious about how to use AI for making money. Whether you're new to tech or already know a bit, this adventure will show you how ChatGPT can change the game when it comes to making money. Remember to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online and join us as we reveal the money-making magic of ChatGPT. Let's get set to tap into the power of AI and boost your earnings. 1. Understanding ChatGPT and its capabilities. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI-driven chatbot created by OpenAI. This isn't just any chatbot, it's a sophisticated tool capable of performing a multitude of tasks. ChatGPT stands out because it understands and responds to a wide variety of questions and prompts, making it more than just a simple virtual assistant. What ChatGPT can do for you. ChatGPT's capabilities extend far beyond basic chatting. It can write comprehensive articles, create detailed code snippets, weave creative stories, and even assist with language translations. What does this mean for you? Imagine having a tool that can draft professional emails, develop blog posts, or even write poetry, all at your command. Step-by-step exploration of ChatGPT's features. Let's break down how to use ChatGPT for different tasks. For writing assistance. Access ChatGPT through platforms like the OpenAI website. Type in a prompt for the content you need, be it a blog post about health, a script for a YouTube video, or a formal business proposal. ChatGPT will generate a draft based on your prompt, which you can then refine to suit your needs. For coding. Ask ChatGPT to help with specific programming tasks, like writing a piece of HTML or fixing a bug in your Python code. Use the generated code as a starting point for your development projects. For creative writing. Provide a storyline or a theme, and let ChatGPT craft a story or poem for you. Use this as a base to develop your creative pieces. Understanding ChatGPT's limitations and best practices. While ChatGPT is incredibly versatile, it's important to recognize its limitations. It relies on the information it was trained on, so it may not have the latest data or understand very niche topics. Always review and fact-check the content it generates. ChatGPT for language learning and translations. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for language learners. You can practice conversation in different languages or ask it to translate phrases and texts. However, remember that while it's quite accurate, it's always good to cross-check translations with a native speaker or a professional translation service for critical communications. Expanding your skills with ChatGPT. To make the most of ChatGPT, spend time interacting with it. Experiment with different types of prompts and see how it responds. This exploration will not only help you understand its capabilities but also inspire ideas on how you can integrate it into your money-making strategies. By gaining a thorough understanding of ChatGPT and its capabilities, you're taking the first step towards leveraging this advanced AI for your financial gain. In the next section, we'll dive into specific, practical ways you can use ChatGPT to start making money. Stay tuned and get ready to turn your newfound knowledge into profitable ventures. 2. Regular ways to make money using ChatGPT. In the realm of content creation, ChatGPT emerges as a powerful ally. Whether you're aiming to craft engaging blog posts, informative articles, or compelling marketing copy, ChatGPT's advanced language models can help you produce high-quality content efficiently. This capability opens up a lucrative opportunity for offering writing services. Launching your writing services. Developing your portfolio. The first step is to create a diverse portfolio of writing samples. Utilize ChatGPT to generate articles on various topics. Ensure each piece showcases a different writing style or caters to a different industry, like technology, lifestyle, or business. Setting up your freelance profile, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are excellent places to start offering your writing services. Create a compelling profile, highlighting your ability to produce diverse and quality content with the help of AI. Marketing your services, share your portfolio on social media, join writing groups, and network with potential clients. Highlight how ChatGPT enhances your efficiency and creativity, making your services stand out. Coding and development with ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't limited to just writing. Its ability to understand and generate code makes it a valuable tool for coding and development projects. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're looking to cater to startups or small businesses that need coding expertise. Kickstarting your coding services. Practicing and creating sample projects, use ChatGPT to get a hang of different programming languages or to work on sample projects. You can ask it to generate code snippets, debug existing code, or even help brainstorm project ideas. Offering your services online. Once you're confident in your coding skills enhanced by ChatGPT, start offering your services. Highlight how using AI gives you an edge in developing innovative and efficient solutions. Building a client base, reach out to startups and small businesses, showcasing your unique offering. You can use LinkedIn, tech forums, and local business networks to connect with potential clients. 3. Earning digital dollars with ChatGPT. In the digital age, marketing has become a crucial aspect for businesses to thrive. With ChatGPT, you can offer AI-powered digital marketing services, which include crafting creative ad copies, engaging email campaigns, and compelling social media posts. This approach not only streamlines the content creation process but also adds an innovative edge to your services. Starting with AI-powered marketing services. Creating marketing samples, begin by using ChatGPT to generate diverse marketing materials. Create examples of ad copies that sell products, email templates for different campaigns, and social media posts that engage and attract viewers. Building your client base. Once you have your samples, showcase them to potential clients. Create a website or a portfolio online where businesses can see the range of marketing materials you can provide. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn, business forums, or social media channels to connect with companies that might benefit from your services. Pitching your services. When reaching out to potential clients, emphasize how AI-driven content can enhance their marketing efforts. Explain how it leads to more engaging, creative, and timely content. Translation and localization services. ChatGPT's proficiency in multiple languages presents a valuable opportunity in the field of translation and localization services. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to expand into new, international markets. Launching your translation services. Testing and refining translation skills. Experiment with ChatGPT by translating various content types to ensure accuracy and contextual correctness. Localize content for specific markets by understanding cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions. Marketing your services. Identify businesses aiming to globalize their presence and reach out to them. Create a compelling presentation of your services, highlighting how you can help them effectively communicate with a new customer base. Use business networking sites and local business directories to find potential clients. Offering a unique proposition, emphasize the blend of AI efficiency and human oversight in your services. This combination ensures translations that are not only accurate but also culturally and contextually relevant. By utilizing ChatGPT in these innovative ways for digital marketing and translation services, you open up a new revenue stream that's both profitable and sustainable. Your ability to blend AI capabilities with strategic business services positions you as a valuable asset in the rapidly evolving digital marketplace. Embracing ChatGPT in your money-making journey opens up a realm of possibilities. From content creation to coding, and digital marketing to translation services, ChatGPT stands as a versatile tool in your arsenal. Remember, success with AI tools like ChatGPT lies in your ability to creatively apply its capabilities to meet market demands. Stay connected with Millionaire Ventures online for more innovative strategies to enhance your income streams. Subscribe now and join a community where technology meets entrepreneurship. Until our next session, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep earning with the power of AI.